Now I want you guys to look at these words and try to sound it out. Okay, think what letter comes first, what sound does it make? What letter comes next, what sound does it make? And what letter comes last, and what sound does it make? And I want you to try to sound out these words and read them, either by yourself or to someone who's with you. I'll do one with you, okay? Let's look at this middle one, okay? The first letter is I. Now I have to think, what does an I say? An I says I. The next letter is an S. What does an S say? An S says S. Now let's put it together. I, is. I, is. So I'm using my finger to point to each letter and make the sound. I, and then I'm running my finger under to put the sounds together. Is. And I'm going nice and slow. I want you guys to try this strategy, okay, on the computer screen using the picture that's next to this video, and try to read these words by yourself or to someone next to you using your strategy of sounding it out and running your finger under it and making the sounds.